We're looking at over here, we're looking at something different. Well, I'm recording a different type of video. We are looking at my iPhone instead of the regular screen record thing that I do. But let's zoom in right now. What are we looking at? We're looking at EURUSD, as we can see right here. We're going to zoom into this right over here. We're going to check the entry points on this. I'm going to zoom in right there. We're going to zoom out, and we're going to see that, you know, this doesn't happen every day. We've got a nice upward bullish momentum right over here. The price goes up, it doesn't stop going up, and it looks like it's going to turn around over here, but it hits this level, and it looks like right now it's about to break below. So if it breaks below this level right here, I think that's a perfect place to put our stop loss, get out of the trade, and hold on to the profits for the day. EURUSD. Now, how do you do this? I guess it takes time, but it's definitely possible. So, like I said, a very short video. Gonna upload more content soon.